Good morning. Welcome to Nari of all trades. I'm making this morning a weekend breakfast Saturday. Uppu Pongal, salt pongal. I'll show you how to make it. So 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of mung dal, wash together 3 times and then start cooking. In the meantime, I'm going to show you. I'm going to have filter coffee, and before the filter coffee I made methi sprouts. I eat this before my breakfast. So you take 2 teaspoons of methi. It's very good for diabetic people, but I don't have yet. It's good to make. So you put water, wash 3 times. And full cup. Leave it until tomorrow, and I'll show you after what happens. So you drink that water next day, empty stomach, and then leave these methi for 3 days. They will come methi sprouts. Cook for 25 minutes, and you can see it's getting soft. Put the lid, simmer it. While it's cooking, I'm going to make seasoning. So turn the gas on. Seasoning is going to be chili, ginger, black pepper, jeera, and dal, 1 teaspoon of each. Salt. So you can see my daughter is a vegan, so vegan butter for seasoning for pongal. For us, normal farm butter, farmhouse butter. So this is for my daughter vegan, and that's for us. So for 3 people, this pongal is, you can see, cooking, almost done. After it cooked, put salt as you like. I'll put 2 teaspoons. Seasoning, I'm putting cashew nuts. For 3 people, I would say about 100 grams, and that's for my daughter. So this salt I put already. So you mix it. So this is ready. I put half teaspoon of black pepper. That's for 3 people. And I cut chilies into 4 pieces, and ginger. So you can see I blended it a bit. So I'm going to put bit in there, bit in there. So seasoning, one teaspoon of jeera, and a little bit dal, as you like. Some people put, some people don't put. So mix together. And the chili and ginger will go once they're roasted. While they're roasting, I'm going to make my filter coffee. So you got milk, full fat milk, about half a cup. This will go into the microwave. For 2 minutes. Took half a cup of water. I'm going to put coffee, 60% coffee and 40% chicory into the filter. About 1.5 spoons, tablespoons. So I'm going to boil it. Pongal ready అవుతున్నది. ఇందాక చెప్పాను కదా మీకు, దీంట్లో సీజనింగ్ ముంతమాడి పప్పు, జీలకర్ర, మిరియాలు, అల్లం, పచ్చిమిరపకాయలు, తిరగమాత. ఇది వీగన్ వర్షన్, సేమ్ థింగ్. తిరగమాత తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను, ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తున్నాను. మాది తెలుగు. నెల్లూరులో పుట్టాను, గూడూరులో పెరిగాను. సో ఇది నెల్లూరు వంటకం. ఉప్పు పొంగలి నెల్లూరులో ఈ మాది. It's ready. So pongal is ready. So it's up to you because my daughter is vegan, so I can't mix in with the pongal. So I have to separate them. So you put pongal and then seasoning on top. Already. That's the methi I made. So you have to eat before you eat breakfast, empty stomach. Good for any diabetic people, but I don't have it at the moment. Pongal is ready, so you can see I'll put it on the plate, and the seasoning I'm going to put it on. So that's my portion of it. I take all the green chilies because my wife doesn't like green chilies. And lots of cashew nuts. And my coffee is getting ready too. Eva, I have to be very careful because it's ready. Right. Eva, earlier on I made milk, half a cup in the microwave, so I'm adding the coffee to it. That's my filter coffee. Yeah, that's pongal ready. My filter coffee ready. I usually eat with me and my daughter avokaya. So homemade avokaya. That's another time I'll show how to make avokaya and amla avokaya. So this is, I have to say in English too, avokaya mango pickle. Pongal is ready. Yeah. It's all ready. Time to eat breakfast.